name and keep my eyes above the waves. When ocean rise, my soul will rest in your embrace. For I am yours, and you are mine. You are mine. Take me deep into my feet to love water, and my faith will be made stronger in the presence of my Savior.